In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Phasmophobia alone. It's actually a simple process, but there are few important tips you need to know to make your solo experience smoother, scarier, and more effective. So make sure to follow along. Phasmophobia is mainly designed to as a co-op horror game, but playing solo is totally possible, and honestly it creates an entirely different atmosphere. When you are alone, the game becomes way more intense. There's no one to rely on, and the horror becomes much more immersive. If you love a challenge, solo play can be incredibly rewarding. So that sound is everything in Phasmophobia. Playing with headphones helps you track footsteps, hear ghost activity, identify the direction of hunts, notice small audio clues you would normally miss, and it means best audio equal to best survival. So when you're alone, every task take longer because you are doing everything yourself. So be patient. Give yourself some time to gather evidence. Rushing will get you killed. In multiplayer, talking can trigger ghost activity. In solo mode, being quiet can actually reduce hunts and keep things calmer. Only talk when using the spirit box, interacting with cursed items. You intentionally want more activity, otherwise, silence is your best friend. Move through the house in an organized way. Check each room one by one. Use the thermometer to find cold spots. Use the EMF reader to detect activity. Listen for subtle sounds like door taps or footsteps. A structured approach helps you avoid missing key clues. The ghost is most active in its main room, so look for consistent EMF readings, temperature drops, random object movements, sounds coming from one area. Once you identify the room, that's where you will set up your investigation. After finding the ghost room, place your gear, a video camera, a ghost writing book, the dots projects, motion sensors or sound sensors if you have them. This is how you will collect most of your clues. So use audio cues to predict hunts. Always know where your hiding spots are. Keep an eye on sanity. Low sanity is equal to more aggression. Smart movement and good hiding can keep you alive for much longer. By using these strategies, staying quiet, being patient, setting up your equipment properly, and reading audio cues, you will become more confident playing Phasmophobia solo. Some maps will still be tough, but with practice you will improve fast. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.